Good morning, class. Today's topic is multiplication theorem on probability. If A and B are two events associated with a random experiment, then probability of A intersection B is equal probability of A into probability of B, given that probability of A has already happened, if probability of A is not equal to 0. How can we prove this? Let S be the sample space associated with given random experiment. And A and B such that S contains n elementary events. Elementary events means number of elements in S. Let A and B are two events. Such that A contains M1 elementary events, M1 elementary events, and B contains M2 elementary events. And also M elementary events lies in A intersection B, means M elementary events are common in A and B. Suppose it is a sample space associated with a random experiment. It is a event A in which number of element, or we can say number of elementary events, is M1. It is B in which number of elementary events is M2, and M elements are common in A and B. Total number of elements in S is small n. Now probability of happening of A is number of element in A by number of element in sample space, which number of element in A is M1 and number of element in sample space is n. Similarly, probability of occurrence of B is number of element in B, which is M2, and number of element in sample space, which is n. Probability of A intersection B, number of element in A intersection B, which is M, and total number of outcomes is n. Now, since A contains M1 elementary events out of which M events are favorable to B. A contains M1 elementary events in which M events are favorable to B. Then probability of B when A has already happened is given by, since A has occurrence before, then probability of B is depend on A. Then number of element is in A is the sample space for probability of B. So then number of element in A is M1 and number of element in B intersection A, which is M. Similarly, A by B, probability of A when B has already happened, then sample space for A is now depend upon B, means sample space for A is number of element in B, which is M2, and number of element common in A and B, which is M. Now probability of A intersection B is equal M by N. Probability of A intersection B is M by N. We can write it M by M1 into M1 by N. Now M by M1, which is probability of B by A. M by M1, probability of B by A. And M1 by N, which is probability of A. Proved. First theorem is proved. Now similarly, probability of A intersection B is equal M by N, and this time we divide and multiply it by M2. We have M by M2, which is probability of A by B, M2 by N, which is probability of B, means probability of A intersection B is equal probability of B into probability of A when B has already happened.